So I'm really getting into my coffee making at the moment, and today I've bought this Fire Maple Orca Vietnamese coffee maker. So this is what it actually looks like. It's nice and metal, good quality as most of Fire Maple stuff is. I always thought that's a bit of a weird angle to have a handle, but there you go. There's the lid. And if you look at this, you can see there it's like got a sieve at the bottom, or obviously where the coffee drips through. And you place the coffee in there, screw that on, pour the water in, lid on, jobs are good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try it today and use condensed milk. Now, I haven't had condensed milk since I was a kid, but yeah, let's give it a go anyway. So when I looked it up, it said that I need 15 grams of coffee, but I like my coffee, so I'm going to put 20 grams in. So let's turn this on. Obviously, you make it as strong and weak as you want. And apologise if I do this totally wrong to how you would. I would love you to advise me if I've done it wrong, how to do it right. It's fine to medium coarse. I did grind this just before I did the video. So there you go, just over 20 grams. And then apparently, hold on a second, let's straighten that out. And then you put this on. Turn it around so you can compact it a little bit. Let's move the scale out of the way. And rinse in a sec. So that's all ready to go. I've got my glass and pop in some condensed milk. Now, I'm a child of the 70s. I grew up with this. Condensed milk. It's extremely sweet. Apparently you can just put enough just to cover the bottom. Pop that on. Pop in the hot water to the top. And then put the lid on. See it dripping through. And it takes about 5 to 6 minutes. And if you enjoyed this, please, please, please like and subscribe. It really will help me out. Thank you. Okay, well that's done. It seemed to take forever. Most of it was my fault because what I did this up a bit too tight, so it took ages to drip through. So that's all ready to go. I'm going to give it a taste in 1 second. The one negative thing about this pot so far is the fact that this gets quite hot. But this has been going on for over 10 minutes. So it's nice and cool now, but there you go. So I'm just going to take this off, give it a stir, mix in all that delicious condensed milk. And let's give it a taste. That is lovely. Good quality coffee now. I think that 20 grams of coffee was really good. That condensed milk gives you this lovely silky sweetness. Yeah, I like that. But it's one of these ones where it's quite sweet and you probably can have one a day. I haven't got that much of a sweet tooth, but that is delicious. So the Fire Maple itself, yeah, it's something nice and compact. Does coffee a little bit different. The important thing is have a proper read of the instructions. And so when you put in that plate, just don't put it too close to the beans because obviously there's no room for it to push the water through. Anyway, but there you go. There's my review. Please, if I've done it wrong, please put a comment in here and tell me how I'm doing it right. Okay, but take care.